welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be looking at track mats. So track mats are basically a way that you can track the object across, and normally use it in After Effects, but it's also possible in Premiere Pro. So what we're going to do then is I'm actually going to do, let's see, I'm going to just draw a shape over this deer here. Right, you can see it's created a new layer there. We'll just extend that to the end. All right, so in this shape, we can basically see the position here. Position is there. And then what we're going to do is just going to go to the end, and we're going to move it over to this side. All right, so that is going across, right, as the deer goes across. So how do you turn it into a track mat? Well, unsurprisingly, you have to use track mat. Yeah, well, I guess. And it's called the track mat key, right? So what we do is we put this onto the movie layer here. And then if we look at the map, we can say, well, that's video 2 we've got the graphic on, right? So there you go. So you can see that we've then created a track mat. And so that's a pretty cool way of doing things. There's actually a different way to do things as well, which is kind of interesting. Let me just unlink. I'll just actually do an Alt drag there. So now you have 2 of them, right? Okay, so I've removed the track mat from this one, and I copied it onto this one, and we've got another track mat, right? Now you can't actually see anything on this one. But what happens if I actually put, like, say, let's do something from immersive video, for example. Chromatic aberrations, I've always liked this one, right? And what we can actually see is if we, like, for instance, increase the effect. So let's see if we can do that. So actually, this is actually going to work quite interestingly, I think. You know, I could try it. So you can see it's actually doing it. It's almost creating like an interesting effect there, right? So basically 2 ways to do it. One is you can just cut it out. And the second is you can layer the video on top of another one. And then you can actually create like a really cool effect like that.